Hey friends, welcome to Science. Today in Science, we're going to be learning what are wild animals for our unit. What is a wild animal? You may ask. A wild animal, it lives in nature and it's not tame. This means that the animal lives all on its own without any human's help. Wild animal finds its own food, shelter, water, and all its other needs in a specific natural habitat. Habitat can be a field, woods, pond, wetland, prairie, park, or your yard. Wild animals make their home in both the city and the country. Wildlife includes small critters that you can only see through a microscope to animals as large as whales. Adult wild animals leave their young in hiding for a short time while they search for food. Sometimes a wild animal is scared away from its young but will return to feed and care for the young animals once danger has passed. So, what are some of the wild animals? Well, we're going to go over those today. So, one of the wild animals is a parrot. This is a parrot. Parrots, there are approximately 372 different species of parrots. Some of these species can imitate the human voice. The burgerian and the cockatiel are the most common as pets. Parrots are the only bird that picks food with their feet and then brings it to their mouth. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus are considered the third largest land mammal. Hippos love water and is the reason why they spend 16 hours a day submerged in water. They can hold their breath underwater up to 5 minutes. Zebras. Zebras are very fast-moving animals. There are the three main species, which are Gravy's mountain plains. Each zebra has a unique pattern of stripes that act like a unique fingerprint. Lions. Lions are the only big cats that live in groups called a pride. The females of the pride do most of the hunting. A lion may spend up to 20 of its hours a day sleeping. Elephant. Elephant is the largest land animal in the world. They are the only mammal that cannot jump. They have the largest gestation period of all animals, which is 22 months. An antelope. Antelopes can be found in grasslands, mountains, wetlands, and deserts. There are a total of 90 different species of them. In some species, the horns may grow up to 5 feet in length. A cheetah. A cheetah is the most fastest land animal, and it can run a speed of 70 miles per hour. Prefer to hunt during the day and avoid competition from other predators. A camel. Camels mainly live in the desert area of Africa and Asia. They can be easily recognized because of their humps. They can survive without water and food for long periods of time as they store fat in their humps. Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest mammal in the world. A baby giraffe can stand up as soon as it's born. You guys like today's science lesson on what are wild animals?